Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12 and 6 2022, and now I gonna show you how to enter into safe mode on this device. Okay, firstly, just press and hold power button to open power menu, then choose power off and power off. Wait for about 10 seconds to your device completely disabled. Then just press and hold together power off, power button and volume up button. Okay, press it simultaneously. Press and hold. Then when the HUAWEI logo will appear on your screen, just release power button and still hold volume up. Great! Now just click Safe Mode button and wait until your device boots. Okay, that's it. As you can see, now we're in safe mode, and now all installed apps are not working on our device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.